Hello and thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be about data and graphing, but more specifically, it's going to be an introduction into frequency tables. So when I'm talking about data and graphing, I'm talking about information. That's what data is. And when we graph it, we organize that data. So basically, data and graphing is putting information together in an organized way. And the way we're going to organize data today is on a frequency table. And the word frequency actually is telling us how often a piece of data occurs. So let's look at some of the most common frequency tables that you'll see. This frequency table, you can see, is a frequency table with digits. The data or the frequency is represented with numbers in standard form. And you can see that the title tells me that this is about miles driven per day. The day and the miles are labels. Here in this column, each day is represented as a list. So I have miles on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And Monday, 30 miles were driven. Tuesday, 32 miles were driven. So it's important when you're looking at frequency tables that you pay attention to the labels and you pay attention to the describing words. They're going to help you read your graph a lot better. Another type of frequency table is a frequency table with tallies. So as you can see this one, the title is Favorite Foods. Here is a list of your food in this column. You have tally marks and you have the frequency. So on this table, you would read the tally mark and then put the frequency in the frequency box. So the number of students who liked pizza was 44, and you list your frequency in the box. Now on many tables, you'll have missing information. In this case, your frequency is what's missing, and you have to fill that in with the information they did give you. Another example of frequency tables are tables that have a range. So for example, this represents books and students' desks. I have books labeled in this column and students in this column. So I know that 6 students had 0 to 3 books in their desk. 15 students had 4 to 5 books in their desk. 6 to 7 books were in 3 students' desks. So each one of these frequency tables is one that you might see on some of your work.